In this video, we're going to look at the derivatives of trigonometric function. That's differentiation of trigonometric function. And let's look at the first one. For instance, we are given y is equal to sine 5x, and we are asked to find the y dx. Or we are asked to differentiate this. How do we do that? What do we do? Now, we are given what? That y is equal to sine 5x. Now, this 5x is a function inside this trigonometric function. So what do? We say let u, we make a substitution. You can use any alphabet, you can use u, you can use a, whatever. Alright, so we can say let u be equal to 5x, that function inside this trigonometric function time. And then it becomes that we differentiate this, alright. So we differentiate u with respect to x, we are going to have du dx is equal to, if you differentiate 5x, we're going to have 5. Now, don't forget that you said what? Y is equal to sine u, because you said let u be equal to 5x. So it means that y is now going to be equal to sine u. So find your dy du. That's, you're differentiating y with respect to u. Now if you differentiate sine u, now you're going to have cos u. So finally, what will be your dy dx? Your dy dx is going to be your dy what? Du multiplied by your du dx. That means you multiply what you differentiated here, multiplied by what you differentiated here. So your dy dx becomes what? Dy du. What is dy du? That is cos u multiplied by, what is your du dx? Your du dx here is what? 5. So your dy dx here becomes what? What does it become? Becomes this multiplied by this. That gives us what? 5 cos u. Alright, so this gives us 5 cos u. So we're going to recall that u is equal to what? You said let u be equal to 5x. So it means that now your dy dx is finally going to be equal to what? 5 cos 5x. So if you differentiate sine 5x, you're going to have 5 cos 5x. So this is what you are going to have. Now let's look at another one. Let's say we are given a function y is equal to cos 2x, and we're asked to find dy dx. That means we're asked to find the derivative. What do? Just like the first example we solved, this 2x is a function inside a trigonometric function. So what does it become? It becomes that what? We'll say let u be equal to that function inside. So make a substitution. So it becomes what? 2x. Now we're going to differentiate u with respect to 2x now. So it becomes what? Du dx is equal to, differentiate 2x, you're going to have 2. And don't forget, you said what? That u should be equal to what? 2x. So it means that y itself now is going to be what? Cos u. Because you have replaced this 2x now with u. So differentiate y with respect to u, you're going to have dy du is equal to what? If you differentiate cos, you're going to have minus sign, negative sign u. Now, what's going to be your dy dx? Your dy dx now, finally, which you're looking for, is going to be dy du, what you differentiated here, multiplied by what you differentiated here, which is your du dx. So your dy dx is going to be equal to what? Your dy du is what? Minus sine u multiplied by your du dx is what? Is what? 2. So it becomes what? That dy dx is equal to what? Minus 2 sine what? Sine u. So recall also that your u is equal to what? He said u should be equal to 2x. So it means that your dy dx now is going to be equal to what? Minus 2 sine 2x. And that is the differentiation of cos 2x, or the derivative of cos 2x. So if you differentiate cos 2x, you're going to have what? Minus 2 sine 2x.